Welcome back to Geared Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to pin a Hibernate icon or button to the Windows 10 taskbar. For this, first right click on the free space on the desktop and select here New and then Shortcut option. In the location box, all you need to copy and paste this one command from this one video description. Shutdown .exe space slash h and then click on this one next button, name it Hibernate and then click on this one finish button. Now drag this one Hibernate desktop shortcut to the taskbar, and when you see this one option link to taskbar, lift your finger from the mouse and it will sit on the taskbar. When you want to hibernate your Windows 10 PC, just click on this one hibernate button on the taskbar and your PC will be hibernated immediately.